Dear students, we have already discussed series and parallel combination of resistors. Today, let us learn how to calculate the equivalent resistance of the combination. First case, when the resistors of same resistances are connected in series. Here, three resistors are connected in series of same resistance. See here, R. That means the resistance of all the three resistors are same. Dear students, you know that the equivalent resistance of the series combination is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. Very simple. RS is equal to, RS means equivalent resistance of the series combination is equal to the sum of the individual resistances, R plus R plus R. So RS is equal to 3R. If I use 4 resistors of same resistance, then the equivalent resistance will be R plus R plus R plus R. That will be equal to 4R. So if n number of resistors are connected in series, then what you have to write? RS is equal to NR. That is the equivalent resistance of the combination is equal to NR. Dear children, so don't forget, here we have used resistors of same resistance. So N stands for number of resistors and R stands for resistance of each resistor. For example, if 5 resistors, each of resistance 3 ohm are connected, see what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 resistors of resistance 3 ohm are connected in series. The equivalent resistance of the combination is RS is equal to, N stands for number of resistors. How many resistors are there? 5. And R is the resistance of each, that is 3 ohm. That gives you 15 ohm. The equivalent resistance of the combination is 15 ohm. That is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is equal to 15 ohm. Students, here 3 resistors of same resistance are connected in parallel. See how to calculate the equivalent resistance. We know that when resistors are connected in series, the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance, the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of the combination is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. We have already discussed this one, is it not? So let me repeat the same. The reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. That is 1 by Rp is equal to, LCM is R only, plus 1. So 3 by R. Or you can write Rp is equal to, so don't forget to take the reciprocal once again at the end. Rp is equal to R by 3, or you can write as 1 by 3 into R. if 4 resistors are connected, Rp is equal to, if 4 resistors of same resistance are connected, then the equivalent resistance will be 1 by 4 into R. If n number of resistors of resistance R are connected, then Rp is equal to 1 by n into R. 1 by n into R. So, if the resistors of same resistance are connected in series, Rs is equal to n into R. If they are connected in parallel, the effective resistance is 1 by n into R. This is for easier calculation. For easy calculation, you can use these two formulae. Okay. So, resistance of the system of resistors when series, this is the equivalent resistance of the system of resistance, system of resistors in parallel, that is 1 by n into R. For example, if the resistance of each is 5 ohm, what is the equivalent resistance of the combination? Rp is equal to, here n stands for number of resistors. How many resistors we have? 3. So 1 by 3 into resistance of each is 5. So Rp is equal to 5 by 3. So resistance of the combination is, you have to divide 5 by 3. 1.66. So Rp is equal to 1.7 ohm. So second case is the resistors of different resistances are used. There is no much difference between both cases. Here, two resistors R1 and R2, they are connected in series. They are of different resistances. Students, you know, when the resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance of the series combination is equal to sum of the individual resistances. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. That's all. If it is 5 ohm and this is 10 ohm, so Rs is equal to 5 plus 10, 15 ohm. So this is when the resistors are connected in series. Here the resistors of different resistances are connected in parallel. So how to calculate this? Dear students, once again recall the equivalent, what would be the equivalent resistance of the system of resistors when they are connected in parallel. We know that the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of the combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. So on simplifying this, Rp is equal to R1, R2 is the LCM. On taking the reciprocal once again, it's become R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. You can use directly, you can use this formula. For example, here if R1 is of 5 ohm and R2 is of 10 ohm, so you can directly calculate the equivalent resistance of the combination R1 R2, that is 5 into 10 by 5 plus 10, that is 50 by 15. Rp is equal to that is 10 by 3, that is 3.33. Rp is equal to 3.3 ohm. Dear students, instead of calculating using this formula, you can go for direct method. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. R1 is 5 and R2 is 10. So LCM is 10. 5 2s are 2 into 1, 2 plus 10 1s are 1 into 1, 1. 1 by Rp is equal to 3 by 10. Now don't forget to take the reciprocal. Therefore, Rp is equal to 10 by 3. Reciprocal, you have to take reciprocals on both the sides. That is Rp is equal to 3.3 ohms. See here already the reciprocal has been taken. Here at the end you have to calculate, you have to take the reciprocal. Don't forget to take the reciprocal at the end. Dear students, let us calculate the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination in the resistors of three resistors of different values. For example, R1 is of 5 ohm, R2 is of 10 ohm and R3 is of 15 ohm. So once again, what you have to write? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by, what is R1? 5. What is R2? 10. What is R3? 15. So I have to take the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. It is 30. 5 6 are 10 2s are 2 into 1 2. 15 2s are 2 into 1 2. That is 10 by 30. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So we have to take the reciprocal once again. Rp is equal to 3 ohm. So the equivalent resistance of the combination is 3 ohm. So let me check once again. The LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. 5 6 are 6 into 1 6 plus 10 3s are 3 into 1 3. Here 3 it is. 15 2s are 30. 2 into 1 2. So you'll get 11 by 30. That is 11 by 30. So you have to take the reciprocal. Rp is equal to 30 by 11. On dividing this, Rp is equal to, divide 30 by 11, 22. So 77, 2 22, 8, so that continues. So 2.72 ohms. The equivalent resistance of this combination is 2.72. Dear students, let us consider one more problem. Here we have used totally 5 resistors. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. R3, R4 and R5 are also connected in parallel. First, let me calculate the equivalent resistance of these two resistors R1 and R2 which are connected in parallel. I call the equivalent resistance of this combination as R dash and the equivalent resistance of this combination as R double dash. So we know that the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination, how to write? You have to take the reciprocal. 1 by R P dash, you can call this one as R dash or RP dash, is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by Rp dash is equal to the value of R1 is 10 ohm, the value of R2 is 40 ohm. So the LCM is 40, 10 fours are plus 40 ones are 40, 1 into 1, 1. So that is 1 by Rp dash is equal to 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. So Rp dash is equal to 8 ohm. The total resistance of this combination is 8 ohm. So now let me calculate the equivalent resistance of this combination where R3, R4 and R5 are connected in parallel. That is Rp double dash. So 1 over Rp double dash is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So that is equal to 1 by R3 is how much? R3 is 30, R4 is 20, R5 is 60. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. 1 over Rp double dash is equal to, here the LCM you have to take, that is 60, 30, 2s are 2 into 1, 2, 20, 3s are 3 into 1, 3, plus 60 ones are 1 into 1. You will get 6 by 60. On simplifying, you will get 1 by 10. So, on taking the reciprocal on both the sides, Rp double dash is equal to 10 ohm. Here, the equivalent resistance of this combination is 8 ohm and the equivalent resistance of this combination is 10 ohm. Now we have to calculate the circuit resistance, that is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So here Rp dash and Rp double dash, these two combinations are in series. Therefore Rs is equal to Rp dash plus Rp double dash. So when they are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is equal to sum of the individual resistances. So Rs is equal to, how much is Rp dash? 8 ohm plus what is Rp double dash? 10 ohm. So that gives you 18 ohm. The circuit resistance or equivalent resistance of the combination is 18 ohm. Thank you children. Have a nice day. We will discuss different problems in the next class.